Think you can't start an online digital marketing business with no experience? Think again. If you don't know me, my name is Gabi Jalat from Montreal, Canada, and I'm a father of one beautiful boy of 15 years old. And I'm here to show you how you can start a 900 daily pay business with only 2 hours a day. And this is especially for the people who have a busy lifestyle and no tech skills, like zero tech skills. All right, let's jump in. I always thought that you need a lot of experience, a lot of tech skills in order to start your online business. Because I'm 55 years old, I don't know how to start a website, I don't know how to set up email funnels, I don't know how to create a product from scratch. So everything was like really very, very complicated. But the Legacy Builders program, it's a blueprint for beginners. You don't need to have any tech skills. All you have to do is follow the step by step blueprint in order to install your system, get it up and running, start promoting that, and you can start making money online. People are doing it with really zero tech skill, and really I can show you how you can do it yourself. You don't have to be scared if you have no tech skills and have all these blocks in front of you. All you have to do is just go step by step by step, and that's it. No need to break your head, no need to no headache as well. All right. More and more businesses are going to the online space. Wouldn't it be great if you have some extra income for the holidays? You have to pay for the gifts and have an awesome Christmas, but you have to start now. And why is that? Because you need to build the relation between you and the customers. They need to know, like, and trust you in order to come and buy from you. And that doesn't happen like in one day. This is why you have to start also build your email list. So from here to Christmas, it's like a perfect time, my friends. If you start now, you can start promoting the products, and surely and slowly, by Christmas, you will have a lot of customers, hopefully, and will have much more income to buy a lot of gifts and enjoy Christmas with your family, right? And with the blueprint, my friend, it's really very, very simple. All you have to do is first is install it step by step by step in order to have it to get it up and running. And after that, all you have to do is to promote that product. It takes you like 2 hours a day. First, you do your copy pasting ad on high traffic website, and you do your videos in order to promote your product so people can see you and come, so you can attract them to your website, and they put their email in so you can see your product. And if they do like it, they buy it. And if they buy it, it's 100% profit in your pocket, and it's global, my friend. It's really, really amazing. So if you want me to show you how you can do it yourself too, as well, would be no problem, my friend. It's really, you don't have to break your head if you don't have any tech skills and you have a very busy lifestyle. This is really like for people who have a busy lifestyle and no tech skill, because it only takes you 2 hours a day, right? And very simple, step by step by step. And on top of it, if you have any problem, you have three tech support calls every week and three mentoring Zoom calls every week. And 39,000, we're almost at 40,000 people in our community, my friends. So you have ah, help, like, yeah, endless help, man. Like, you can have help forever. All right. So don't let the lack of experience hold you back. The longer you wait, the more opportunity you miss. Imagine that you make 900 daily pay by Christmas. How would that change your life, my friend? How would that change your holidays? Seriously, don't wait. So, if you want me to show you how you can do it yourself, how you can start your online business with zero tech skills, with really no time to spare, and all that stuff, put blueprint in a comment, and I will be more than happy to show you how. And if you enjoy my video, my friend, please subscribe. All right? Enjoy your day.